Welcome to the Evolving Canvas Part 3. The Algorithmic Muse, AI's Creative Revolution. What happens when you type Rembrandt painting a spaceship and get, well, this? When creation becomes instant, when technical skill becomes optional, when anyone can conjure masterpieces from thin air. We're entering the age of the algorithmic muse, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about art. Believe it or not, this revolution didn't start with artists. It began with engineers. Back in 2015, Google's Deep Dream software gave us a bizarre peek into how neural networks see the world, creating these haunting psychedelic patterns out of ordinary photos. It was weird, but it was a start. Then came generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These AIs learned to create photorealistic faces of people who don't even exist. The technology was still crude, but the potential was staggering. You could feel that something big was on the horizon. And then, suddenly, the dam broke. In 2021, OpenAI launched DALL-E, a tool that could turn a simple text description into a unique image. The next year, Midjourney and Stable Diffusion hit the scene, and the game completely changed. All at once, anyone with an internet connection could create images that would have taken a professional artist weeks or even months to complete. The barrier between a wild idea and a finished piece of art simply vanished overnight. Within a single year, these platforms were used to generate over 1 billion images. The floodgates were open. But where did these AIs learn to be so creative? They were trained on billions of images scraped from across the internet, many of them copyrighted works by human artists, all used without permission or payment. The backlash was inevitable. In 2023, artists organized and filed class action lawsuits against the major AI companies. The core question at the heart of this battle: is an AI learning from an artist's style the same as stealing their work? It's a debate that pits technological progress against creator rights, and the outcome will shape the future of digital content. And this creative explosion isn't just visual. The AI revolution is now happening in sound. Algorithms can compose music in the style of Bach, write poetry that moves you, and generate entire soundscapes for films. Tools like OpenAI's Jukebox can produce a song in the style of almost any artist you can name. An AI-generated track that imagined a new Nirvana song called Drowned in the Sun has racked up over 10 million streams. The very definition of creativity is being challenged and rewritten in real time. Yet, amidst this digital flood, something human persists. The imperfect, textured stroke of a paintbrush, the slight hesitation in a pencil line, the raw, emotional connection between a creator and their physical creation. As AI-generated images become more and more common, a fascinating counter-movement is happening. Collectors and galleries are placing a renewed, higher value on art that shows unmistakable evidence of human hands. In fact, a recent report showed that 72% of gallery owners have seen increased interest in traditional art forms since the AI boom began. It seems the more perfect the machine becomes, the more we crave human imperfection. So, is it humans versus machines? Maybe not. Perhaps the most exciting development isn't AI replacing artists, but artists harnessing AI. They're using these algorithms as tireless creative partners, generating thousands of concepts in minutes to find that one perfect idea. They're blending digital generation with traditional techniques to create something entirely new. A recent Adobe survey found that a surprising 68% of professional artists are already using AI tools in their workflow. The future of art may not be a battle, but a collaboration. So where does this leave us? We have physical art becoming a prized luxury, digital art struggling to find its value, and an all-powerful AI redefining what it even means to create. In our final episode, we'll meet the artists building bridges between these worlds, who are fusing the physical and digital to create the art of tomorrow. You won't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our world. See you next time.